Separate it like this. Now we are going to add wait 0.5 seconds. So I will go there. Now I'll change this to 0.5 seconds. So now it is when flag click, wait 0.5 seconds. Now set score to 0. Set score to 0. So I'll go to my variable now. I'll bring out this set my variable. And then I change this my variable to score. So set score to 0. Set score to 0. Now, after setting score to 0, then we can now add this there. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so what we're going, let's take this one back. Take it back. Separate this one like this, so you can see I've separated these two. So now join this one here. And take this one out. Take it back to the code library. Take it back here. So let's just use this one for now. So take the rest back for now. Have you guys done it? You guys just have this one like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look at what I'm doing now. I will remove this pick random and I'll put it in the X now, not in the Y. So remove it from the Y and put it inside the X. Now I will change the 100 to minus 220. Minus 220. And then I'll change the Y, the other one to 220, not the Y, the other one there, 220. For the Y now, I will change the Y to 180. I will change the Y to 180. So now, we can now add our forever block now. So go to control and then bring out the forever block. Now add it here. Now for the forever block, we are going to add, now we can now add the change Y by -5. Like I told you earlier, the motion for up and down, it is Y. While the motion for left and right, it is X. So I want it to fall from down, from up to down. So I'll go to change Y this time. So it will be change Y by -5, not change X. Change Y by -5. Don't get confused. X is for left and right. That is why it is moving left and right. So now let's use change Y by -5. So now let me see if I click on this, it will fall downwards. Let's see. Okay, it is working now. You see, you can see now it is. So if you have added, you can click on the flag now and test run your code. Is it working? Is it falling from up to down? Is it falling downwards from the sky?
Yes, sir.
Just one person. What about the rest?
So it's working.
Okay. So I want it to fall down repeatedly. I want it to fall down repeatedly. So I don't want it to just fall once and stop, because now it is just falling once and then it stops. So now what I want to do first of all, I'm going to bring out an if then block. So go to control. Now bring out the if then block in control. Now put it down here. The if then block down here. So now I'm going to bring out, so I want you to, whenever it touches the catcher, the score would increase by 1. Whenever the apple touches the bowl, that's there. Whenever the apple touches the bowl, it would the score would increase by 1. So I'm going to go to my sensing. Go to sensing, you will see touching mouse pointer in sensing. This is it. In sensing. Now click on the mouse pointer, you will see bowl in the mouse pointer. So click on the mouse pointer and change it to bowl. Now bring it out. So it would be if touching bowl now. So whenever it touches the bowl, I want it to go back up. I want it to go back to its normal position, to go back up. So I'm going to go to my motion now and bring out, go to X and Y coordinates now. Now for the X, I'm going to bring out my point, my pick random. So go to operators, you will see pick random 1 to 10. So bring out the pick random and fix it inside the X. Bring out the pick random and then you fix it inside the X. Now for the 1 there, you change the 1 to minus 220 and you change the 10 to 220. And then for the Y, you change it to 180. The 1 minus 220, the 10, 220, and the Y, 180. How many of you have done it?
So I've done it. I've done it. So I've done it.
Okay. So now we can now say change score by 1. So now whenever it touches the bowl, the score will change by 1. So let's go to variable now. Let's go to our variable and bring out the change my variable by 1. Click on the my variable, change it to score. So now bring it out and then fix it here. So it will be change score by 1 now whenever it touches the bowl. Have you guys done it?
Sir, please, I don't understand from that place. I don't understand from that place where you put if then touching boom. Please recap.
I said after if then touching bowl, you go to motion, bring out the go to X and Y. In motion. The way you did this one up here, the way I did this one is the same way I'm going to do this one too. After I have gone to motion and bring this one out, go to your operator and bring out pick random 1 to 10, and then you fix it inside here. Inside here. So now you change the 1 to minus 220, you change the 10 to 220. Now for the Y, you change the Y to 180. Now you can now add the change score by 1. Do you understand? Bukari, do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if I click on my flag now and I move my bow towards it, you can see. You can see the score is increasing. You can see the score is increasing. But if I miss it now, nothing is going to happen because I've not added the code for that. So you can see I missed it on purpose, but nothing happened. This is because we have not added the code for it. So I want it to be game over whenever I miss the apple. I want it to be game over whenever I miss the apple. So what I'm going to do now, I would what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring out one more. Let's click on stop. I'm going to bring out one more if then. So go to control block and bring out this if then. Now look at where I'm going to fix mine, so you don't have issues. I'm fixing it down here in the middle, not inside the if then I brought out earlier. In the middle here. In the middle here, like this on its own. So you can see it is down here. It is down here. So fix it inside here like this. Now, once you have done that, we are going to move back to our operators. Move back to operators and bring out the lesser than 50 sign. Lesser than 50 operator, and then you fix it here. So what I want to do now for this, I want it whenever my apple position is lower than a certain coordinate, it will be game over. Whenever it is lower than a certain coordinate, a certain number there, it is going to be game over, like the way it is now on my screen. So once I get to this position here, once it is lower than my bow, it will be game over. So now to do that, I'm going to go to motion. I'll scroll down and bring out my Y position this time. And then I'll bring out Y position like this. So now it's going to be if Y position lesser than. So now what is the position I want it to be lesser than before it is game over? I want it to be lesser than minus 160. So I'll change this 50 to minus 160. Minus 160. Just like this. Have you guys done it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So now we can add our game over now. So go to looks. Go to looks and bring out say hello for 2 seconds. So bring it inside here. Inside here. So now I will change the hello there. Click on the hello and then you change the hello to game over now. Game over. Game over. Game over for 0.2 seconds. Game over for 0.2 seconds. What did you say, Bukari?
Done it.
Okay. So now that's not all. We are going to say broadcast game over also. So I'll go to events. Go to your events now. You will see broadcast message 1. Click on the message 1 and then you click new message. It will take you here. Go to events. You see broadcast message 1. Click on it and click on new message. Now in the new message here, you are going to type game over again. Game over. Game over. Now, you will see the broadcast game over sprite block here. So bring this broadcast game over and put it right next to this one here. Put it right next to this one here, to the other game over you've written down. Now go to control. Go to control. You scroll down, and then you see stop all. So this is the stop all. Now put it right next to the broadcast game over. See. So you can see, if you have added it, you have done your game. So test run your code. When you collect the apple, you can see the score increases. But when you miss the apple, it's game over. So test run it and tell me if it is working. Both the game over as well.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay, Samuel. Check the game over as well.
It's working.
So you can also add sound to it. Whenever it collects the apple, you can also add a sound to it. I think we have a collect sound in my library. So I want to add a sound to my own. I think I have a sound like this. Okay, so I will just bring out this sound. Let me see if I have a collect sound. I'll still use the sound chart. So now start sound trump. Start sound trump. Now I'll fix it inside this first one, this if touching bow. If touching bow. Like this. If touching bow. That's why I fixed it.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. My one is not bringing out game over.
You can see I've added sound to my own now. Israel, let me see what you did. Share your screen. If you're having issues, raise your hand as well. Israel.
Sir.
You did the wrong thing. You are just putting everything together inside here. You're not careful. You're not putting it carefully. Remove that. Remove the if. Scroll down. Scroll down. Remove that if then out. The if y position lesser than. Yes, bring it down. Scroll back up. Now, hold on. Before you scroll back up, put it in between. Put it down there. What are you doing now? Yes. Move it inside. Hold it from the if then, from the if. Hold it from the if. Yes. Now leave it there. Scroll back up. Come down. Don't do like that. Just don't do that. Scroll, click on it like you're bringing a block out. Click on that line there and drag it down. Yes. Okay, hold on. Okay, click on the flag now. It's supposed to start working. Click on the flag now. Run your code, run your codes. Click on the green flag. Israel, click on the green flag now. You know where the green flag is again?
I know the
what?
it works, sir. It works, sir.
Can stop sharing now.
Can you?
When you allow share your screen, let me see.
So what I just wanted to say is that, sir, which sound did you use?
Chomp sound. There's a sound there, chomp. Let me share my screen. There's a chomp sound. Do you see a chomp sound? Go to sound. Sound block. Samuel, stop sharing your screen. Have you seen it, Onyola? The chomp sound.
Not yet, sir.
Go to sound. This is it here. Look at my screen. Click on sound here. You will see chomp. This is where the sound is. Sound block. Then you see play sound and chomp sound.
So I've seen it.
Okay. So bring it out and put it inside the if touching bowl. If touching bowl. So touching the bowl. You can see if it's touching the bowl. You can also add a sprite for game over as well. A sound as well for game over. You can also add a sound for game over, but that can be your work by yourself. You can do that by yourself. So now save your work, guys. Everybody save your work. Save your work. I think we're going to call it for the day. Save your work, everybody. If you have saved your work and you have done everything, you are free to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But if you have any question, you can ask me. I'm at the fire going now. I'm about to come. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.